Hey Charlene, John West Coast Connects. You spoke with Ronnie yesterday. He promised this free video, so here it is. In the video, I'm just going to show you 3 tips that you can do to increase customer flow and traffic to your website. So with that, I'll get started. My first tip is to add content to your homepage. So looking through, there is a little bit of content, and content is anything that you can highlight, whether that be text or pictures. And the reason why you want a lot of content is you want something. Well, first, there's a couple reasons. First, you want the specific keywords that can be found that you could be targeted for on Google search engine. And typically with about a homepage is about 1,000 to 1,500 words that you'd look for on a homepage. And you can get away with about 10 to 15 keywords that Google could locate you for. So, really important to, in terms of getting search for specific things, to add content to your site. It's also a Google ranking factor. So if you look at Wikipedia, for instance, Wikipedia is almost always first in their particular pages because there's so much content, there's so much pictures and text that they just beat everybody out by a million words, and thus they start getting ranked by Google and usually are in the top spot. So really important to have content, and you definitely want to outdo your competitors. I went ahead and looked at Electrical Contractor Las Vegas, and the people that are beating you out, you are ranked in Electrical Contractor Las Vegas. You're in the 18th position, the second page. You're getting basically one search a month for that. But looking at your competition in terms of content, there's just a lot more here. And all these are considered content. They're drop down menus. Um, and so there's just a lot more content um, on your competitor's page that you would have to beat out in order to start doing better than them. That's just one of the factors that is why they're beating you. And then the same thing with Bombard Electric. Okay, again, quite a bit of content here. Looking down, not as much as Calidus, but probably that's one of the reasons why Calidus is beating you, and them just because content. Um, and then the second tip would be to strengthen your site. So let me go over this with you. This is Ahrefs. This is a tool SEO specialists use to determine the strength of a site. And if you ever wanted to get this, you could. If you had a reason to go out and get it, it's about $1,000 a month depending on the plan you get. But this is the strength of your site right here, and this is on a scale of 0 to 100. 0 being the weakest and 100 being the strongest. As you can see here, you're on the low end, 3 and point 0.1. And really what you would like to see is you'd like to see them to be a 1-to-1 ratio. So say your UR was a 20, you'd want your DR to be a 20. You'd really want them, and it doesn't work out like that all the time, but there are ways to bump up your UR if it's too low or bump up your DR if it's too low. And that golden 1-to-1 ratio is what you're aiming for. So, and then as high as a number as you can. If you can get into the 30s or 40s, that's what you're looking for. This referring domain is how many websites are referring links back to your site, and these are how many links are actually getting back to your site. So there's 3 websites out there that are sending you 9 links. Okay, and looking down, 2 of those are do follow. And what that means is 2 of them are actually sending you power, but they're not very strong websites because your power is not too high. You are ranking on 51 keywords, and that's in the top 100. So you could be on the 10th page um, and still be in this top 100. And then your organic traffic is 26, and then your traffic value, or how much money I would have to spend in Google Ads to get the same amount of traffic, is $38. So not so strong, not so hot. And this is one of the reasons why you're not gaining as much traffic, is just because a lot of your keywords, if I look at your keywords here um, and where you're at, so you're getting some, you're in the first position and second position based on your name, but then going down, you're on the second page, second page, then the stuff the third page, and it goes all the way down, and then now you're on the eighth and 10th page. Just this, you're in the 100th position exactly. So, um, when you start getting off the first page, a lot of times you're not getting traffic unless it's a national keyword where, you're the only local one that's close. So that would be my second tip, is to definitely build up your site and strengthen your site. Um, and my third tip is, because this takes some time. You can't spam it or Google will, flag you. You have to gradually build it up, and there's ways to do it that way. But it's a long-term investment. I guarantee you, Calidus has done SEO for quite some time, and they're getting value from it. $3,300 worth basically from their website. So, um, my my third tip would be, if while you're trying to build that up, you want a quicker return. There's ways to get stuff in the there's ways to get traffic in the short term. Google Ads is a great way to do it. Or my personal favorite is Facebook ads. And I really like Facebook ads just because they always seem to get me. So I'll be doing Google searches, and then all of a sudden a bunch of ads will show up on my social media, and I'm like, man, you guys got me. Uh, so but Google ads and Facebook ads are a great way to bring in customers. As you can see here, someone is running a Google ad for this particular keyword, and they're just showing up at the top. So no guarantee that somebody will click on it, but it's definitely up there above Calidus. So, and then it's a pay-per-click thing. So, however many times people come to that particular website is how often you'd have to pay for it. So, just different ways to get traffic at a faster pace. And I always recommend doing that with the long term, so that you can get traffic in the short term, and then in 3 to 6 months you could start seeing a return there. So that would be my tip, my three tips. I hope this is helpful. If you need somebody that knows what they're doing, we'd be happy to help. Either way, I'd love your feedback. But with that, have a great day and God bless.